Good morning, students. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Okay. So, as you all know, today we are having our English day. So, one activity I have for you. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen with you. Okay, is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are doing one activity today. So all the students will participate in this activity. What we will do is that, for example, I will give you one example and then all of you have to do. You have to construct one function. That function you have to uh, open your mic on your camera and then you have to speak that function. And after that, you have to tell me both values f of 0 and f of 3 of that function, and you need to explain that how you are getting this f of 0 and f of 3. So this is the way we will do our activity. And one more thing is that the compulsory thing in this session is that all of you have to speak in English only, and you have to explain in English only. Fine. No one will speak in Gujarati language or no one will explain in Gujarati. However, you can try, you do. If the mistakes are happening by your side, then also there is no issue. Whatever you feel that it is correct, you have to speak. Fine. Okay, one example I'm giving to you, and after that, you have to tell me the examples. So I will randomly take any one of your name from this meeting. So all of you have to be alert about that. Whenever I'll ask to give the function and f of 0 and f of 3, you have to speak. Fine. Are you all clear with this first?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one student is clear. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm giving you one example. I'm taking this function f of x equals to x square minus 2. I can take any function. You can take x plus 3, x plus 5, x minus 2, x square plus x plus 3. Whatever function you want to take, you have to take. And then you have to find f of 0. F of 0 means what? If I'm putting x as 0, then what will I have? 0 square minus 2. Now 0 square will be 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 will be minus 2. Then I have the next, which is f of 3. So f of 3 means at the place of x, I will put 3. So 3 square will be 9 and 9 minus 2 will be 7. So this is the way all of you have to give the function and then the value, the f of 0 and f of 3. Fine. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all will be able to give example of a function?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first example will be given by Vrutti. Vrutti, give one example of function. Vrutti Booth. Give one example of function and f of 0 and f of 1. On your mic, you have to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
And on your camera also. Okay, then just speak. Open your mic and then give the example of function. After that, Aarti Vyas, you have to give one example of function. Are you there, Aarti? See, those who will not reply, they will not get attendance for today's session because it is compulsory to involve everyone in this activity. So those who are not in the session can will not get attendance for today. Yes, Vruti, give
Yes, ma'am.
example. Yes.
F of x value is equal to x minus 5.
Just a minute. F of x equals to the function x minus 5. Yes, very good. Then what
F
will be
of
f of
0 f of
yes,
0 value is equal to 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5,
0 minus 5 equals to minus 5. Yes, correct. Then
and f of 3 value equals to
yes,
3 minus 5
3 minus 5
equal to minus 2.
minus 2. Very good. Very good. So thank you, Vruti. Now next is Aarti. Aarti, give example of function. After that, Bhargav will give example. So be ready. After Aarti, Bhargav will give example. Yes, Aarti. Aarti, am I audible to you? Okay, take your time. Okay, one example will be given by Jai Dolaria and Dharvi Sakhya. Are you there, Jai and Dharvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jai. Are you ready with the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then on your camera, open your mic and give example of one example. One function, sorry. On your camera. Jay, am I audible to you? Okay, Bhargav. On your camera and mic and then give example of function.
Yes, ma'am. F of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x minus 10
F of x equals to, just a minute, x cube
plus 2x
plus, sorry, plus 2x
minus 10.
minus 10. Yes, what will be f of 0 then?
F of 0 is equal to minus 10.
is equal to, okay, x equals to 0 you will put, so it will be minus 10. Then
f of 3 is equal to 23.
equals to, 3 3s are
27.
27 plus 6.
6 minus 10.
Yes, 27 plus 6 minus 10. 27, yes, minus 10. So 17 plus 6. So it will be 23. Fine. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Bhargav.
ma'am.
Yes, Jai, give the next example.
f of x equal to 1.
Just a minute. F of x equals to 1. Okay, then what will be function value f of 0?
1.
1. And what will be function value f of 3?
That also 1.
Yes, that will be also 1 because this function is not dependent on 1. So it's fine. Very good. Right now your mic was working and now it is not working. How is it possible? Dharvi Sakhya, are you there? Dharvi, am I audible to you? Okay, some names I'm taking. Those who are in the class now, write yes in the chat box. And others I'm removing from the meeting. Yes, Dharvi, on your mic and give example of a function.
Hello,
Dharvi, am I
ma'am.
audible to you? Yes.
F of x.
First of all, on your camera.
કેમેરા નથી ચાલતો.
એવું તો ન બને ને, તમે ફોનમાંથી અટેન્ડ કરો છો ને. સી કેમેરા ઓન કરાવવાનો મતલબ એવો છે કે આ જે સેશન રેકોર્ડ થાય છે ઇંગ્લિશ ડે સેલિબ્રેશન માટે આ એક પ્રૂફ તરીકે રાખી શકાય કે ભાઈ અમે આ રીતે સેલિબ્રેશન કરીએ છીએ એટલે, બાકી તમારા કેમેરા ઓન કરાવવાનો બીજો કોઈ મતલબ નથી. એટલે પ્લીઝ ઓન યોર કેમેરા એન્ડ ધેન ગીવ ધી એક્ઝામ્પલ. Am I audible to you, Dharvi? Okay, on your mic and then give example of a function. તમારો અવાજ નથી સંભળાતો ધારવી. You are not audible. શું કામ રીજોઈન કરવું છે? તમે માઇક ઓન કરો. Okay, I'm taking some names. Those who are in the session, write yes in the chat box. And I'm taking the names, no? All of you have to be ready with the example of a function. Komal Sakaria, Kelvi Booth, Grishma, Darshika. Those who are in the meeting, write yes. Okay, Kelvi, Darshika, and Komal. Are you ready with the examples? Okay, Kelvi, on your mic and give the example of a function.
f of x equal to x square plus x plus 5.
Okay, just a minute. F of
મેમ
x.
સ્ક્રીન નથી આવતી.
હા, એક જ મિનિટ હું સ્ક્રીન શેર કરું છું. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. F of x equal to
Okay.
x square plus x plus 5.
F of x equals to,
X square plus x plus 5.
okay, x square plus x plus 5. Okay, then,
F of 0 equal to 5.
sorry,
F
f
of
of 0 equals to 5. Yeah.
F of 3 equals to 17.
F of 3 equals to 3 3s are
Se-
9 plus 3 12 plus 5. Yes, 17. Very good. Very good, Kelvi. So the next one is Darshika. Yes. Darshika, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give the function.
F of x is equal to x square minus 4
F of x equals to x square
minus 4.
minus 4. Yes. Then
F
what
of
will be
z
f of 0?
minus 4
Minus 4.
and f of 3 is equal to 5.
3 equals to 5. Okay, very good. Then who is next? Komal. Komal, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Okay, give the example of function. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen with you. Yes, Komal. Komal, am I audible to you?
Yes, madam. F of x is equal to x square minus
F-
x
X square
minus
minus
x
x
minus 7.
minus 7. Okay.
F of
Give
0
the function. Yeah, f of 0
is equal to minus 7.
minus 7. Very good. Then,
F of 3
yes,
is equal to 9 minus 3
9 minus 3.
minus 7
Yes, then
minus 1
what is it? Yes,
minus 1.
minus 1. Yes, very good. Then just a minute, let me add. Yes, who was the next? After Komal, it was Kelvi. Yeah, Kelvi. Am I audible to you?
મારો ટર્ન એકવાર આવી ગયો મેમ.
ઓકે, તો કોનો બાકી છે? નહીં, કેલ્વી, દર્શિકા, કોમલ ત્રણેયનો આવી ગયો. ઓકે, ચલો. Now, those who are in the meeting, write yes in the chat box. Dhruvik, Keval, Bhavesh, Nikunj, Chenil. Those who are in the meeting, write yes. Otherwise, I'm removing you from the meeting.
Ma'am, I'm there.
Okay, Nikunj, give example of a function, an f of 0 and f of 1.
Yes, ma'am.
On your camera first. Okay. Now give example of function. You are not visible, Nikunj. On your camera and then speak, no? What is the problem in that? I don't. Yes. Give the example.
X square plus x3 minus 10
Just a minute. F of x equals to x square
plus
plus
x3,
x3 means what? It's a 3x, no?
3x, yes,
Yes, 3x
minus 10.
minus 10. Give me the function
F,
value.
f0 is equal to minus 10.
Minus 10. Yeah. And
X3 is equal to 8.
f of 3 equals to uh,
8.
3 square will be 9 plus 3 3s are 9. So 9 9 18 minus 10. What is the value you are asking to me? F of 3 will be?
8.
Yes, it will be 8, no? Okay, very good.
Yes.
Very good, Nikunj. Then who is next? After Nikunj, there is Bhavesh. Yeah, Bhavesh. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
On your camera and give the function, one function.
F of x is equal to x square,
F of x equals to
x square minus 3x plus 2,
x square minus 3x plus, sorry,
plus 2.
plus 2. Then
So f
function
of
value
0 is equal to 2.
f of 0 equals to, yeah, 2.
2.
Then what will be
And
f of 3?
f of 3 is equal to 2.
3 3s are 9 minus 9 plus 2. Yeah, 2. Very good. Then next is Dhruvik. Dhruvik, are you there? Dhruvik, are you there? Okay, on your camera and mic and give the example of a function. Dhruvik, Dhruvik, am I audible to you? If you want time to construct a function, then ask for a time, no? Don't write. On your camera, speak. On your camera, on your mic, and then speak. It is not allowed, no? Then what makes a difference from the other session of today's session? Why are you writing? I'm not considering your example. Open your mic, on your camera. I'm not considering your example. Whenever you are ready to speak, no, then write yes in the chat box that, ma'am, I'm ready to give. Okay, chalo next. Keval, are you there? Keval Soni, are you there in the meeting? Okay, I'm again asking some names. Those who are in the meeting, write yes in the chat box. Shivani Bhatt, Harsh Rola, Nancy Rayani, Kanani Prince, Riddhi Vekaria. How many of you are there in the meeting? Okay, then I'm removing others from the meeting. Okay, Shivani, are you ready with the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your camera and give example of a function.
F of x is equal to x square plus 5.
On your camera, no, Shivani? Yes, f of x
X square plus 5.
equals to x square, just a minute, x square plus 5.
F of 0 is equal to 5.
Yes, whenever you will put the value 0, f of 0 equals to 5.
5. And
And
f of 3 is equal to 14.
f of 3 equals to 14.
14.
Very good. Very good, Shivani. Okay, who is next? Kanani Prince. Are you there, Prince?
f of x is equal to
Just a minute. F of x equals to
x plus
x plus
2.
2. Okay. Then f of 0 will be?
2.
Yes, it will be 2. Fine. And f of 3?
5.
5. Very good. Thank you, Prince. Then next, Nancy. Nancy, are you there? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on your camera and give example of function.
F of x is equal to
On your camera, no?
f of x is equal to
F of x equals to
3x square plus 5.
3x, just a minute, 3x square plus 5. Good. Okay, what will be f of 0?
5.
F of 0 equals to 5. Then
F of 3 is equal to 32.
f of 3 means 3 into 9 plus 5. Yes, 32. Very good. Very good. Then Riddhi Vekari, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi. On your camera and give example of a function. Just a minute. Let me add one row over here. Yes. Continue.
Fx equal to
Fx equals to,
x cube minus
just a minute, x cube minus
15x.
15x. So what will be the function value f of 0?
F of 0 equal to 0.
Is equals to 0. Yes. Very good. Then f
F
of
of
3
3 equal to minus 18.
minus 18. Just a minute. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Yes, 27 minus. Okay, okay, very good. Very good, Riddhi. So again, I'm asking some students. Okay. Hensi, are you there? If you are there, write yes in the chat box. Ayush, are you there? Then Deep Sakhya, Dishit Korat. How many of you are there in the meeting? Write yes in the chat box. Hensi, Ayush, Deep, Dishit. Okay, Deep, Dishit, and Ayush are not there. I'm not considering them in a session. Okay, Dishit is there. Ayush is also there. Okay, so Hensi, let us start with you. Are you ready with the function? Okay, on your camera and mic and give the example of a function.
F of x is equal to
Just a minute. You are not visible. F of just
f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6.
f of x equals to
X square
x squared
minus 4x
minus 4x
plus 6.
plus 6. Okay. Then what will
F
be f
of
of
0
0?
6.
Yes, f of 0 will be
6.
6.
F of 3 is equal to 3.
F of 3 equals to 3. Yes, very good. Thank you. Then the next is Dishit. Are you there with the example? Dishit, am I audible to you? It's fine. You can give example from the hospital also. If you can attend the session, then you can give example also. Will you be able to give example or not? So that we can go to the next student. Okay, leave it. The next is Ayush Pakar. Are you ready with the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your camera and give the example of a function. What is your f of x?
F of x is equal to x square plus
Your,
2x
your
plus
face is
5.
not visible. Your face is not visible. Yes. X
X square
x square
plus 2x
plus 2x
plus 5.
plus 5. Okay, what is f of 0?
5.
5. Then what will be the next? F of 3.
20.
20. 3 threes are 9 plus 6, 15. Yes, very good. Very good, Ayush. So, okay. I think let us stop here. What we want to do is that since today we are celebrating this English Day, no, that means we should have some kind of refreshing or something like that. So apart from our syllabus, we have to do some activity. There, that's why I have selected this activity because this will make you a more and more practice of constructing the function as well as calculating the function value. So today we are not doing anything from our syllabus. So this is just extra activity which is covering mathematics also, and maybe it will make you like something different from the regular sessions. And since I'm asking you forcefully to speak something because it will make you more confident, no? The actual aim is to define this English Day celebration is that only the student will have that confidence to speak. Like you can write in the examination whenever in our university, what is the system? You are giving revision test, then you are giving mid semester test, then you are giving final examination. But in all the examination, you are writing. So the purpose is to celebrate this day to make you confidence about something like speaking. So whenever in future you are going somewhere, it is not always compulsory that you have to write only. Somewhere that point will come, then you have to speak. That's why we are celebrating this day. Now, just a minute. I'm stopping the sharing of our screen. And yeah, so I'm asking 9 students to on their camera so that I can have some memory of this celebration. So in my screen, there are Ayush, Nikunj, Hensi, Riddhi, Dishit, Nancy, Shivani, and Bhavesh. All of you on your camera. And after that, whenever I'll say no, you can leave the meeting. It's just that I want some memories from your side. Ayush, Nikunj, Hensi, Riddhi, Dishit Korat, Nancy Rayani, and Shivani Bhatt. Can you please on your camera? Thank you, Bhavesh.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Yes. I will share these photos in our group also for your memory. Yes, Dishit, Hensi, and Nancy. Okay, thank you so much. All of these people who have on their camera can leave the meeting. After that, I have you people leave the meeting so that I can invite others. Jai Dolaria, Kelvi Booth, then Komal Sakaria, Riddhi Vekaria, Ayush Bakar, Bhavin Katrodia, Shivani Bhatt. These people, can you please on your camera? Thank you, Kelvi. Raj Godasra, Bhavin Katrodia, Komal Sakaria, Shivani Bhatt is already okay. Ayush, Riddhi, can you please on your camera? Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you so much. Okay, you people can leave the meeting.